the first black republic, change world history. Before you judge us, know where we've been. Without Haiti's courage, history looks different. Hey! No Megan, we built it too. Haitian hands helped build it too. Chicago, remember Point du Sable. Hey, New Orleans, remember Haiti. Our blood, our sweat, our sacrifices written in America's foundation. Hey, we built it too. Yeah, we built it too. Yeah, we built it too. Yeah, we built it too. Yeah. 1809, thousands came to